Okay, so we have the teardown video here. I'm gonna start by showing everything connected. So, we have the monitor here. VGA cables coming right here. Power cable coming through here. Both of them are plugged in. This power cable is going to the computer. The VGA from the computer to the monitor. I got the mouse plugged in right here. I got the keyboard plugged in right here. And I'm boot it on. Alright, so we got Linux booted up. Do the mouse works. And that's the keyboard here. Alright, I have everything unplugged from the computer. And then take the case off. Alright, so here we have the sticks of RAM. Here is the power supply. And this thing right here is the disk drive. I'm going to take one of these RAM sticks out by lifting up that pin there. And one of those pins in there. So here's the RAM. You can see here 2 gigabytes. And this is just one stick. And the computer has 4. This one doesn't even. Alright, I'm going to put it back in. Alright, it's in the slot. Now we have to push it down. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna take the power supply out now. So this thing, power supply. You can see these cables running down. We've got this one. We've got this one. And we've got this one. Got that one out. Now we're gonna take this one. And this one. Alright, so finally getting that one off. And we can pull this forward and lift it up, and the power supply is out. See? Okay. Set that down. Should be in place. There we go. Alright. Power supply should be good. Next is the disk drive. You can go ahead and put this up. And these 2 cords here, you have to unplug. Pretty simple. Then push this in and lift it up. Alright, the disk drive is out. It's back in place. Now we gotta put these cables back in. Should be good. I'll push it down. There you go. Should be back in place. Unfortunately, there's no hard drive to take out, so that's why we're using the USB stick with Linux on it to boot. Put the case back in. I'll plug it in. Video cable, mouse, keyboard, power. Okay, let's boot it up and see what happens. Looks like it's booting. I'm gonna put the Linux in. Alright, it's booted up. Mouse works. Keyboard works.
Yeah.